In my vlog, I discussed that communication is the biggest problem of human nowadays. They are unable to communicate. Though there is a lot of interaction between between various cultures, various societies, but still, to my mind, the communication is inefficient. We are unable to understand each other and unable to convey our sentiments, feelings, or any sort of message or information which we want to pass on to others. We fail to. The reason being that if you want to send a message, then that is for a particular class. There are hardly few messages which are for overall society. There are few. That even also is problematic because when you make a message for whole the society, then there are illiterate people, well-read people, or average educated people. Now, when you make a message for all, then the comprehension becomes the problem because each may not be understanding what you exactly want to convey. They may not be understanding. You have your own capacity, you have your own vocabulary, you have your own understanding of ABC issue, and what you do, that you frame a message keeping your point of view in mind, and then you convey it to others. So one message square for all is incorrect. This is why when you see that there are various discussions which you might have listened over television, or various books which you might have read, they may not be impacting on the minds of each individual equally. Every individual takes the message differently. It is just like that very famous story which is often quoted in business communication, that is the 7 blind men who saw the elephant. Every individual has his own point of view. So, one who is framing a message, one who is delivering a message has greater responsibility over his or her shoulder. He must first know the people that whom he is going to address, what is their caliber, what is their interest, what is their level of education, what all they want to see in my message, and such thing you must have in your mind. If you keep, the sender keeps these things in mind, then probably he or she may be able to make a good message which may bring, I won't say 100%, which may bring the desired results. And to be assured about that the message has been taken in letter and spirit in the way I wanted to convey it has been, then there must be certain feedback, certain response from those who have listened or read that message. Probably people do not give their feedback. And when you do not get a feedback, then the individual is unable to know the drawbacks or shortcomings in the message. And once that individual does not get those shortcomings known to him, then he or she will just be satisfied what he or she has conveyed, because no one has responded, told him that what is wrong, what they could not understand. And since response is not given, then the sender, as I told you just now, that would be satisfied that yes, he has framed message brilliantly, and next time when that individual will be making a message trying to give some more information, then the previous experience would be his base, and on it he would be delivering further messages, and they may not be bringing the desired results. And this is what we see, that despite this is an age of knowledge explosion, the society is moving from bad to worse.